All right, here we are loading up for a 10-day tour, checking everything off. And I got the bike all prepped, 24K service I did. So I checked the valves, I cleaned the air filter, I dropped the oil and cleaned a new filter there and changed the final drive and put in new spark plugs. So just checking some things, heated jacket, could be chilly up north where we're headed, and a lot of different types of gloves I got, and just barely starting to load up, so got some work to do still. And tank bag, got the Adventure Mist, don't leave home without it, and don't need that one, and this one would be good, and gotta have some candy in here, chargers and whatnot. And yep, to have this eye drops is good. And tire gauge, different types of batteries, chargers. And let's see, let's take a look at where we're headed here. Right here at Glacier, North Cascades National Park, and Oregon coast. There's kind of So yeah, about 2,800 miles. Let's take a look at it. So that's sort of what we're looking at here. So down here, start down in Salt Lake City, run up through Idaho, through Sun Valley, and the Sawtooth Mountains. Then from there, we this Flathead Lake up in Montana, big lake, and then we head up into Glacier National Park. We loop around that, go into the Sun Road, so on, back out the other side. And after the other side of Flathead, we head down through Coeur d'Alene in Idaho. So yeah, after Spokane, the Grand Coulee Dam is through here. Should be cool to see, which is one of the largest dams in the world. And do the 90 or the 50-minute tour they have. And then we buzz up here to North Cascades National Park, Washington. And from there, we will head out here to where we'll hop on a ferry. Right here. Cross on the ferry instead of going through Seattle. We're gonna jump on the ferry there and run down this highway. So yeah, Highway 20, 101 down. And here's where we're getting on the ferry. Actually, I lied. Port Townsend, where's we? So Port Townsend, yeah, we jump on the ferry there, or we end up on the other side of the ferry. We go down the 101 here. We go down to Astoria. And from Astoria, we run down the Oregon coast all the way down to Florence, right on the 101. And sorry, it's kind of bright in here. Anyway, from Florence, we go over through Eugene and through Bend and Burns and all the way over to Boise, back to